This is the ancient, never lost high technology, using a rope to make a compound pulley system without fancy new pulleys and axles, just two sticks to make pulleys. The rope is the rope, and we have a compound pulley system. Those adults never stood a chance against that little girl. She had mechanical advantage in her favour. This is a thunderstone moved in Russia in the 1700s. It's the heaviest megalith ever moved, over 1,500 tons when the move first began. How did they move it? Spinning levers to make a winch, just like a water well. You know, if you have or a car jack, if you have a lever attached to an axle, well, you have mechanical advantage. You've made your force, your strength much stronger. Spinning levers, in other words, this is a gearbox. Old sailor called it a capstan. The rope gets wound around the little axle, but the lever goes in a big circle around, so you have mechanical advantage. You've made yourself much stronger. The longer the lever, the stronger you are. So that's number one. This is how cranes still work to this day. The second part of moving this massive stone was to use a compound pulley system. You can make it, what modern ones are made with, sealed bearings, the highest quality steel. Old-fashioned ones in sailing ships were just made from a block of wood with a few holes drilled in it. One piece of rope keeps winding around. Compound pulley system, you multiply your strength by 2, by 4, by 8, by 16 each time you wind the rope around. It's a little bit more complex than that, but that's the essential rule. So there is no mystery of how ancient technology can be applied to move massive objects. The only real issue is why ancient lost high technology, who is so critical of primitive technology, have zero understanding of it, and they're very interested in how all these things moved, yet they have no, even high school physics would tell you this, or go to someone in the trade and ask them how this works. So lost ancient high technology, can you move massive megaliths? Yes, you can, as long as you understand the basics of physics and age-old principles such as a lever, primitive technology, and how to use a piece of rope properly, primitive technology. No mystery, finished.